There are 7 kinds. It is the best way to be a good person. The first, Dhammayutta. Dhammayutta is knowing the law, knowing the cause, such as if you don't have enough money to spend and to buy something, if you want it but you cannot buy, you must know how to save, and if you are the poor, you cannot buy, you should choose buy something that is useful for you. Second, Atanyutta, knowing the meaning, knowing the purpose. If you do something but it is good, I know, and I think it make you miss you such as knowing that the happiness is the effects of this cause, and the suffering in the effect of that cause. The third, Atanyutta, knowing oneself, such as if you are the student, you should intend to